Sorry for the late post. I've just been a little bit busy. Why is there corn on the beach? Okay, that's weird. That is what? Why is there so much corn? Corn.
You just, hey, look.
More corn.
Throw it on there. Hey, look.
That is someone's hand, and that's a grasshopper. This beach scares me. That's my hand.
It's missing a back leg.
Oh.
Never mind.
Is it okay? It's in my hand. This thing is huge. We'll let it crawl up you. Today we're just going to be looking for animals, cool things to find here. We're at the intercoastal, so there's some pretty cool stuff here. We have oysters, stuff. Bye, grasshopper. Nope. The grasshopper flew away. It's right there. So despite the corn and stuff, it's a pretty cool beach. There's something over here I want to check out. So yeah, sorry for the late post. I've just been a lot of stuff going on. The hole right there. Still zoomed in? Yeah, you're still zoomed in. Sorry. I don't know what that's from. More corn. We're just gonna be looking for, like animals, things like that. If you get in the water, you can see fish usually. Oh, something just jumped. Oh, they're right there. See it? Something's jumping. I don't see any more fish, but I just saw a whole school of them, which means that they're close. Well, it means that they're here, so. Oh, look, they're right there, right there. You see them? Yeah, you can see them. Can you? They're right there. I don't know what those are. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I think you can. It's really pretty out here. Birds. I'm gonna go explore the rock wall. I will be going on a vacation with my grandma to Topsail Beach, so I probably won't be able to post. Hi, buddy. Dun dun dun. Please don't jump on me. My dad says we shouldn't climb on these rocks. Probably shouldn't climb on them. I don't climb on them. Boats. Lots and lots of boats. Oh. A lot of boats. I'm gonna try it over here now. Oh, look, more fish. You see the fish? Drones? What the? Why are there drones? Where'd it go? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Duck. Yeah, it's right there. Drones! Why is there a drone at the beach? Ah, waves! Waves! Waves in the intercoastal. Say hi. Hi.
Hey, I think I know myself in the next clinic. Get some letters.
Okay. This is the other side of the intercoastal.
Oh, you're coming back to get you because you slipped along.
Oh shit, they're coming back. No. No more waves, lady. No. Ah, there's so many waves. Waves. The intercoastal should be waveless. No waves. Ow. Ow. Ow, that's a rock. Oh, look at all those. Oh, yeah. What are those? What are those? What? Oh, cool.
See him in the way. Woo!
Whee. Lots of fish. Well, I think it's going to be it for our video. See you guys next time.